Hi everyone, this is Mary Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and we worked on this bathroom, and this bathroom was a labor of love. The homeowners allowed me to do exactly what I wanted. So for a retreat, this would be my perfect ideal. We went in and we did a very pale gray vanity with a beautiful top, flip mirror. We did satin nickel, but my favorite part of this whole project was when we went into the shower and bath area. This to me was the little sanctuary. I focused heavily on the niche. I focused heavily on the niche because the niche was my favorite part of this. I personally think the niche makes this bathroom, the colors, it's spa-like. And I think when you're in a bath, you want to retreat, this would be ideal. If anybody's interested, please give me a call. We would love to do the same thing for you. Thank you and have a great one.